A well-kept lawn starts with the right equipment for the job. Best lawn mower for small yard options can make trimming, maneuvering, and maintaining your outdoor space faster and more efficient. In this guide, we'll explore top-performing models that deliver clean cuts, reliable performance, and great value for compact lawns. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Greenworks 40-volt lawnmower. The Greenworks 40-volt lawnmower is a practical choice for homeowners looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use mowing solution. Its 16-inch cutting deck is well-suited for small to medium-sized yards, covering up to 1/3 of an acre on a fully charged 4.0 Ah battery. One of its standout qualities is the ultra-lightweight design, making it significantly easier to maneuver than many traditional steel deck mowers. The single-lever height adjustment offers 5 cutting positions, allowing users to adapt quickly to different grass conditions. The 2-in-1 design provides both mulching and rear bagging options, giving flexibility depending on lawn care preferences. Since it operates without gas or oil, maintenance is minimal and startup is effortless. Quiet operation and zero emissions make it ideal for residential neighborhoods where convenience, cleanliness, and reliable performance are important. Number 2. WORX 14-inch lawnmower. The WORX 14-inch lawnmower delivers impressive performance for small lawns while maintaining a compact and highly portable design. Powered by 2 20-volt batteries that combine for 40-volt output, this mower provides dependable cutting power without the hassle of fuel or cords. The patented IntelliCut technology is a useful feature that automatically adjusts power based on grass density, helping improve efficiency and extend battery life. Weighing under 30 pounds, it is easy to push, carry, and store, making it especially suitable for homeowners with limited storage space. The 6-position cutting height adjustment allows for precise lawn customization, while the 2-in-1 bagging and mulching system offers flexibility throughout the growing season. The PowerShare battery platform adds extra value by allowing the batteries to work with numerous other WORX tools, making this mower a convenient addition to an existing collection.
Number 3. RB 9-inch lawnmower. The RB 9-inch lawnmower is designed specifically for very small lawns, garden spaces, and tight areas where larger machines can be difficult to handle. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it remarkably easy to maneuver around landscaping features, pathways, and narrow corners. The brushless motor operates at 6,000 RPM, delivering efficient cutting performance while requiring little maintenance. Users can choose from 3 cutting heights to achieve their preferred lawn appearance throughout the season. Safety is another strong point, as the mower automatically stops when tilted beyond specified angles, helping prevent accidents during operation. The detachable aluminum handle and upright storage design are ideal for apartments, sheds, and garages with limited space. For homeowners seeking a simple, lightweight mower for small yard maintenance, this model offers convenience, portability, and straightforward operation in one compact package.
Number 4. Litheli 20-volt lawnmower. The Litheli 20-volt lawnmower is a practical option for homeowners looking for a lightweight and easy-to-manage cordless mower for small to medium-sized lawns. Equipped with a 13-inch cutting deck and a high-performance motor that reaches 3,400 RPM, it provides reliable cutting power while maintaining quiet operation. The mower can cover up to 1,300 square feet on a full charge, making it suitable for routine lawn maintenance without the hassle of cords or gasoline. Its 5-position height adjustment system allows users to select cutting heights between 1 inch and 2.5 inches, giving flexibility for different grass conditions and seasonal needs. The included 8-gallon grass collection bag helps keep the lawn clean by efficiently gathering clippings. Comfort is another highlight, thanks to the adjustable handle that promotes a natural working posture and reduces strain during use. The folding design simplifies storage, while the versatile battery can also power other Litheli tools and even serve as an emergency charging source for compatible electronic devices. Number 5. STEELITE 20-volt lawnmower. The STEELITE 20-volt lawnmower offers excellent value by combining a cordless mower and a 2-in-1 trimmer and edger into one complete lawn care package. Designed for convenience and versatility, this kit includes both 4.0 amp-hour and 2.0 amp-hour batteries, along with replacement spools, allowing users to begin yard work immediately. The 13-inch mower uses a brushless motor that delivers strong torque, quieter operation, and improved durability compared to traditional brushed motors. Weighing only 20.5 pounds, the mower is easy to maneuver around flower beds, landscaping features, and uneven terrain, making it ideal for homeowners who prefer lightweight equipment. A 5-position height adjustment system allows quick customization of grass length without tools, while the trimmer head rotates to provide precise edging along walkways and driveways. The 2-in-1 mulching and bagging system adds flexibility for lawn care preferences, and the large 8-gallon collection bag reduces interruptions for emptying. Overall, this kit delivers dependable performance, ease of use, and all-around functionality for maintaining a neat and attractive lawn.